In this video, we will walk you through the CS Cart point of sale system. The module provides the flexibility to manage sales on both the online store and the physical stores simultaneously, ensuring synchronized inventory, customer data, and order processing. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, after opening this add-on, under the Settings tab, you will see multiple configuration options, such as whether to allow vendors to manage outlets, the default category in which products from the POS outlet will be added in CS Cart, payment methods, and the number of products and customers to be loaded initially. You can also set the default password for new customers created at the POS outlet. For example, you can set a password like 12345. Next, you can customize the active button color, disable button color, background color, and text color. After that, you have the option to configure the barcode settings. First, set the barcode source. It can either be set manually or derived from the product code. Then, choose the barcode type from multiple available options. You can also configure whether to display text, set the height and width of the barcode, and define a barcode prefix. Now let's see how this add-on works. After installing the add-on and completing all the configurations, you'll find a POS outlet section under the vendor section. Here, you can create or delete outlets. To create a new outlet, provide a name like Test Outlet 1234 and select the country. Once the outlet is created, the admin can assign it to a company, and the company can further assign it to their vendors. To assign an outlet to a company, go to the Vendor section, open the desired company profile, and under the Add-ons tab, you'll find a list of all the available outlets. Select the desired outlet and assign it to the company. Once assigned to a company, the company can now assign the outlet to specific vendors. For this, go to the Vendor section, open the Vendor Administrator panel, and under the Add-on tab, you'll see the list of outlets assigned to that company. The company can now assign any of these outlets to their vendors. Now the outlet is linked to a vendor. For barcode usage, go to the Products section in CS Cart. After opening a product, under the Add-on tab, you'll see the barcode details. This barcode will be used in the POS outlet. When a vendor processes an order, they can scan the barcode and the product will automatically be added to the cart section. Now let's save this setup. Once the outlet has been assigned to a vendor, the vendor can view all assigned outlets in their vendor panel. They can manage the products by clicking on Manage Product, select multiple products, and assign them to a specific outlet. In the outlet details, the vendor can see a list of all products that have been assigned to that outlet. Upon opening the point of sale panel, the vendor will see an interface displaying all available outlets. They need to select one and log in using their email and password. After logging in, the vendor will be prompted with two options, either to resume a session or start a new one. Upon resuming a session, they'll be asked to enter a drawer amount, for example, 1,000. The POS panel includes several sections. Home redirects to the home page. Order history shows a list of all previous orders. Cash drawer displays the current drawer status and related transactions. Customers allows you to view the customer list and search using their phone number or email address. Refresh product list lets you refresh the product listing and view returned orders. Settings. You can change the currency, select the language, and log out from this section. Vendors can also create new products directly from the POS outlet by entering product name, price, code, and quantity. To place an order, the vendor needs to select a product, choose a customer, click on the Checkout button. During checkout, the vendor has multiple payment options such as cash, card, split cash card. The POS system supports both online and offline modes. If an order is created while offline, then as soon as the device goes online, all orders, products, and customer data will automatically sync with CS Card. Once synced, the admin can view the orders and products and choose to approve or disapprove the newly added products. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, Contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.